CollaboVR, a reconfigurable framework for creative collaboration in virtual reality. Communication is happening every day and everywhere, locally, remotely. However, it is not always very effective. For example, sometimes we need to sketch on whiteboards for better clarity, but someone's line of sight may be blocked. In another case, people in conventional video conferences can hardly read pointing gestures to digital content. To solve these challenges, we present CollaboVR, an open-source, reconfigurable framework for creative collaboration in virtual reality. Our system unleashes users' creativity by sharing freehand drawings, converting 2D sketches into 3D models, and generating procedural animations in real time. The CollaboVR system offers a reconfigurable architecture for creative collaboration in VR with lightweight software on the client side and low-latency services on the server side. Hence, we leverage a cloud-based architecture where the computationally expensive applications are hosted directly on the servers. For each frame, the CollaboVR server transmits user strokes to the cloud app, broadcasts the rendering results from ChalkTalk, and sends audio streams to all clients simultaneously. To adapt to different use cases and optimize the virtual spaces depending on tasks, we further support real-time switching of different user layout and input modes. Inspired by real-world metaphors, we designed 3 configurations to evaluate the CollaboVR system: integrated, mirrored, and projective layouts. The integrated layout inherits the side-by-side whiteboarding metaphor. This layout places remote or co-located participants into the same shared virtual space. The mirrored layout inherits the face-to-face communication metaphor. This layout resolves issues with clutter and occlusion by flipping other avatars to the opposite side of the interactive board. The projective layout inherits the lecture with a presentation metaphor. The presenter can focus on sketching or designing in their private workspace and project the content to the shared interactive board for the other audiences. To evaluate CollaboVR, we conducted a within-subject user study with 12 participants. Our findings reveal that users appreciate the custom configurations and real-time interactions in CollaboVR. Next, we showcase several live demos of CollaboVR. CollaboVR can be used for scheduling a trip. Multiple remote users are rendered as virtual avatars in front of a large virtual interactive board. With freehand drawing, users can write and draw their desired travel plans and coordinate with friends via both audio communication and sketches. When they have different ideas, users can easily duplicate the current interactive board and iterate on the prior one to express new alternatives. CollaboVR can also be helpful for interactive presentations. The presenter and the audience are on the opposite sides of the interactive board, while the sketches are shown identical to both the audience and the presenter, and the gaze interaction is maintained. With face-to-face remote communication, the presenter may pay more attention to the audience's focus, while the audience can follow the presenter's gestures and content simultaneously. CollaboVR can further help with designing spatial layouts, especially in 3D. The user can draw furniture with a combination of primitive 3D objects and place them directly at the preferred locations. The system functions the same for left-handed users and right-handed users. All the drawings can be further manipulated after drawn. Moreover, CollaboVR provides users with a notepad or tabletop writing experience. The designer can focus on sketching the concept on a private interactive board. The experience is close to drawing on a digital tablet with a pen, while the contents are projected to a large, shared, interactive board to the other audiences. As we open-source CollaboVR as an extendable collaborative framework in virtual reality, we envision it may facilitate future research in collaborative work in virtual reality. Please refer to our paper for more detail. Thank you.